At the Louisville baseball diamond. And let's see what the heck we got here. And it's 6:36 Monday evening. Game will start at 7:05, and it's the Louisville Redbirds against the Nashville Sounds. And we kind of cloudy out. Might rain. There's some players out there on the field. Don't recognize any of them. Let's see if we can catch some of the fans here. Oh, there's a fan. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you a Louisville fan? Let's take a look at the fans out in the stands here. As you can see, it's close to a sellout. They're piling in pretty good. Most of the people come about 10 minutes before the game starts. We'll be back with you in a little bit.
Town and Country Ford,
right on the very first row.
Carriage Ford,
very first row is our seats.
And Neil Huffman,
going too fast. That's third base right there. We're just about 50 feet from third base.
Kentucky lottery tickets may be purchased in the Stadium Club or at the information booth on the concourse. All Kentucky lottery games are available at the stadium, including Lotto Kentucky, Powerball, Pick 3, Pick 4, Cash 5, instant tickets, and pull tabs.
There's another one
Kentucky
out
Lottery,
there.
it's your game.
Who we got there? Warming up.
And now, tonight's starting lineups. First, for the visiting Nashville Sounds.
There's Diggs.
Leading off, in center field, number 22, Fernando Ramsey.
Pitchers warm up. Well, it's only 6:45. Still got 20 minutes to go.
Batting third.
They're giving the lineups
field,
already.
Number 43, Bob Zupsik.
A lot of people standing outside waiting to get in, I'm sure.
Zupsik.
As you can see, they're piling in.
Batting fourth,
Tracy Woodson. And a couple other ball players. '34. Look him up on the. Thomas Diggs, he'll be playing tonight. Most of these guys will. Over there in the pitcher's bullpen is a pitcher named Scott Simmons. Lives in St. Charles, Missouri. He's from St. Charles, Missouri. I'm not sure what school he went to. I think he went to St. Charles West. Number is number 50. Let's see. Walking past is number 48. Davis. There they take the field. The crowd is going wild. The crowd is going wild. Just look at the standing ovation, folks. Standing room only, folks. Most people are out getting a hot dog right now. But they'll be back. That's Alan Bennis, brother of Andy Bennis, starting pitcher for tonight's Redbird game against the Nashville Sounds. Just warming up right now, getting ready for the first batter. First batter steps into the box, and he steps out. And he steps in. And Alan Bennis gets signed from the catcher. And we're just about on the way, and here's the first pitch. Right. What the heck is that up there? Is that
number 26, the center fielder, Tony Diggs.
Tony Diggs, Tony Diggs, Tony Diggs. Second. Man on first. Nobody out. Oh, who no? What was that? Come on. That's Billy Bird. Turn around, Billy Bird. Turn around. That looks like a Louisville Cardinal. Hey, Billy Bird. Big bird up there that stands. What's he doing? Down here, I think, folks.
Ow! Good stop. Good stop.
What's going on? Am I taping Billy Bird when I could be watching a baseball game? Oh, guys, he's getting real close. What's he got? Bird seed? Maybe he'll come down here and sit next to Julie. Here's Julie. Hey, Julie. Look at this.
What?
The first to touch home plate is
Uh-oh, 5-year-old. A 5-year-old. Billy Bird's on second.
Go!
Uh-oh. Billy Bird's got to walk the home plate. While a little 5-year-old gets to run and see if he can beat him. Oh, come on, Billy Bird. Hurry up, Billy Bird. Run, run, kid. Run, little boy. Hurry, hurry. Come on. Hurry up, you can beat him. Oh, no. Oh, they got him down. Oh, the kid's going to make it in the home plate. Hey. Oh, yeah, he wins. The 5-year-old.
Win or lose, our contestant receives a $25 savings.
Oh, poor Billy Bird.
The Billy Bird Derby is brought to you
They tackled him. Oh, poor Billy Bird. He got hurt. Now he's coming up here. Oh, there's that 5-year-old kid that outran him. Well, come on up here. There he goes. He's all mad. There's Grandma Julie. Redbird is between innings.
They have great rides, great golf, great games, and great fun. Just take I-65 to exit 4, Highway 131, upstairs at Redbirds Mall in Clarksville.
Hey, Redbird. Billy, what's his name? Billy Bob?
To promote scholarship,
Billy Bird?
self-esteem, pride, and good citizenship among the young people in our community, the Great Financial Bank Scholars Program honors
Oh, he's
middle
coming
and high
right at
schools
us, folks.
at each Redbirds home game during 1995 season. The Redbirds welcome tonight's Great Financial Scholars from Seneca High School.
He hit that umpire. Oh, he's funny. Oh, get on. There he goes. 7. And there's been the Sounds have only got 1 hit. The Redbirds have got 3 hits. 1-0. Bottom of the 5th, 1-0. Wow. Somebody wake me up.
Stop by and pick up
7th inning stretch time, folks.
Autographed picture courtesy of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. There. Grounded. Call the Center for Bone and Joint Disorders. Can have you back in the game sooner than you expected.
What's he on? What kind of skates is that?
Our thanks to the Atlanta Center for Bone and Joint Disorders.
Oh my. Here he comes. He's coming over here.
You can get the world's best tasting rotisserie chicken tonight at
Folks, top of the 9th. Louisville Redbirds.
Shortstop.
Putting the hurts on the
Garaccio.
Nashville Sounds. It's 6-0, a 2-hitter. Alan Bennis. That's it. What time is it, folks? 9:13. Only 3 outs to go. Ground ball. They got a 4-sided second. 2 outs. Top of the 9th. One out to go. The crowd is standing in anticipation. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, what do we got here? What do we got, folks? 2 balls, 0 balls, 2 strikes, 2 out. Top of the 9th. Andy Venice. Alan Venice, let's say, gets the sign. The pop-up, folks. Where's it at? Yeah. He's out. Somewhere. Somebody caught it. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Wait a minute. That's it?
That's it. One boom.
I don't believe it. One boom? I didn't know it was going to happen. They're all out there jumping for joy. The crowd is going crazy. Great balls of fire. Check out the stands. Check out the #1 fan. Look at the crowd. They're leaving. It's a mad rush. Who are these guys? Boy, that's the pitchers.